Hey, hello everyone. Welcome back to Spear Skill channel, your destination for mastering technology, AI productivity, and future ready skills. Today, I have something very exciting for you all who want to test and improve your Excel abilities. Spear Skill has just launched an interactive Excel quiz portal on our website, spearskill.tech, which I will leave you in the comment where you can able to pick up and visit the website. Whether you are a beginner, intermediate, or expert, you can now take a fun and challenging Excel quiz that consists of 5 to 10 questions generated dynamically for your level. But here is the interesting part: the questions aren't pre written, they are generated instantly by our local hosted AI model, customized to choose difficulty. Once finished the quiz, the system will evaluate your answer and provide a detailed result including your score percentage, strength and weakness, area you can improve, personalized learning suggestion. So visit the website, take the quiz and challenge yourself today. Well, what is Spearbot? Spearbot is built using a blend of artificial intelligence, agentic AI, and advanced generative AI models. What is artificial intelligence? This is the foundation enabling machines to think, understand, and respond intelligently to users. It helps Spearbot process your questions, generate response, and learn from patterns. Agentic AI, this is the next evaluation of intelligence. Okay, so agentic AI doesn't just respond, it acts, it decides, and performs tasks autonomously based on your goals. So here, Spearbot uses agentic AI capabilities, which is hosted locally on our server, which will identify your intent, break down tasks, retrieve relevant information, provide structured step-by-step solution, adapt to your skill level and communication style. It is designed to behave more like an AI assistant rather than a basic chatbot. So generative AI, this allows Spearbot to create content, explanation, examples, scripts, codes, and even questions for your Excel quiz, all on the fly. Together, this technology form the intelligence engine behind the Spearbot. Well, upcoming lecture series, don't miss this out. Please subscribe and do follow me. We are having a very big session, and I am glad and here to announce that we have a upcoming session on agentic AI and advanced generative AI. We are coming up soon with the complete lecture series on agentic AI, where we will teach how AI agent work, how to build your own AI assistant, how Gen AI creates text, image, and solution, real world applications, and hands on examples, how Spearbot itself was designed. If you are serious about learning AI, this is the series you absolutely shouldn't miss. So please subscribe and do follow me. And you can leave me a message for any of your queries where I will be happy to assist you and clarify all your questions. Well, what is Spearbot? Spearbot is built using a blend of artificial intelligence, agentic AI, and advanced generative AI models. What is artificial intelligence? This is the foundation enabling machines to think, understand, and respond intelligently to users. It helps Spearbot process your questions, generate response, and learn from patterns. Agentic AI, this is the next evaluation of intelligence. Okay, so agentic AI doesn't just respond, it acts, it decides, and performs tasks autonomously based on your goals. So here, Spearbot uses agentic AI capabilities, which is hosted locally on our server, which will identify your intent, break down tasks, retrieve relevant information, provide structured step-by-step solution, adapt to your skill level and communication style. It is designed to behave more like an AI assistant rather than a basic chatbot. So generative AI, this allows Spearbot to create content, explanation, examples, scripts, codes, and even questions for your Excel quiz. All on the fly. Together, this technology form the intelligence engine behind the Spearboat. Well, upcoming lecture series, don't miss this out. Please subscribe and do follow me. We are having a very big session, and I am glad and here to announce that we have a upcoming session on agentic AI and advanced generative AI. We are coming up soon with the complete lecture series on agentic AI, where we will teach how AI agent work, how to build your own AI assistant, how Gen AI creates text, image, and solution, real world applications, and hands on examples, how Spearboat itself was designed. If you are serious about learning AI, this is the series you absolutely shouldn't miss. So please subscribe and do follow me. And you can leave me a message for any of your queries where I will be happy to assist you and clarify all your questions. Well, guys, so let us open our website spearskill.tech. So as soon as you open, you will see a consent here. So what is this regarding? This is actually in concern with the Digital Act what India has recently launched. We will also discuss about this, how it has to be accepted and what are the privacy policy in our upcoming session. So at present you can accept all. So this is our agent Spearboat virtual assistant. So before we step in into that, we'll just have a browse quickly with our website. Okay, so here we have our browse courses, join webinars, and source codes which you would like to have, and we have a login option where a student and a trainer can able to log in and then conduct the sessions. So you can sign up in this one. You can either sign up as a student or even as a trainer, where the trainer has to be logged in with two-factor authentication and student have a classroom here separately. We have web blogs, webinars which is coming up, and knowledge hub and jobs also posted for your recruitments. Okay, so we have multiple jobs openings are being available. Please go through this. You can also apply for a job going through with this in case if this been particular about your requirement. Yeah, so now we will go ahead with our content. So here we have our courses which is been related to the advanced AI and generative AI, which is put across in the website. You can go through this, and we have upcoming courses on Python and multiple many more courses are on the way. We will discuss about that in our later sessions. So now going into the Spearboat virtual assistant, so you can just type hi or any message to start conversation with the Spearboat. So I am typing, can we have a quiz? So immediately it has responded, great, I can help you take the quiz. Please type quiz to start. So once you type quiz, so it will start and it is saying you need to authenticate with your name and email ID so that it will identify who you are and it will be able to provide you the quiz here. Okay, so we will type quiz. So it will provide what are the topics available at present. Okay, so we have topic related to Excel. So we can choose the Excel here. To start the quiz, I need your email address for verification. Okay, so you can provide your email address. I'm just providing the student email address of SpearSkill. Right, you can provide your email address here. The OTP may take couple of minutes or so, depends on some factors where it generates the OTP and send it to you, right? So here what it has sent, great, now I need to verify your email ID. It has sent a message like I have sent a 6-digit verification code which will expire in 5 minutes, right? So we will check what is the OTP which it has been sent. Guys, I have logged in into my email ID. Okay, so I got the OTP here, and then I will put across into the Spearboat virtual assistant. Okay, so once you put, so it will validate the OTP. Okay, so there is a mechanism behind that. It will send the OTP and it validates. It provides you 5 minutes of time. Okay, bear with this in case if you are getting the OTP late, and you can able to authenticate with this. Once it is been done, it will say like choose the easy, medium, hard level, whatever you want to use. You can choose it. You are having every question 30 seconds. What is the shortcut to apply? Italic. So it is control I. So once you say, it will provide whether the question is correct or not. If you have provided wrong answer, it will give you what is the suggestion. Okay, we will try to provide something wrong also, and I will show you. What is the shortcut to apply? Bold formatting, control B, right? Correct. What does wrap test do in the Excel? It rotates text, display text on multiple lines, hide text or bold text. It displays text on multiple lines, right? Correct. So, is it interesting, guys? You can take and participate. How do you reference a range from A1 to D10? Okay, so this is how we have to refer A1 colon D10. Okay, so B. Correct. Cut to select the cell in a workbook, sorry, in a worksheet. To select a cell, you can use select a cell. You can use Control A. So what happens if you don't answer within 30 seconds? That question will be lapsed and you will lose mark for that. How do you select an entire row in the Excel? By using spacebar, shift plus space. That will be the option to choose the row. Okay, your score was 70 percentage, and what it has given. How do you select an entire row in Excel? Okay, so I was referring to the shortcut, but that was for the column actually. So click the row number on the left to select the entire row. So this the quiz is completed. Okay, so now what we get with this quiz? So an email. Okay, so what we have completed. So there are something which is content is blocking. Okay, so what is the question? What is your answer? Right? And what you have got from that? Not only that, what is our recent course at, recent webinar, and what is our recent blogs which will be sent? Is it interesting, guys? Okay, so take a moment, so participate and challenge yourself and see how much you are obtaining. Yeah. So send me a message if you are having any troubles. So we will see that and we can address it. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. Please take a moment, do visit our website, participate in the quiz, and tag me what is your score which you have got, right? So I will not be knowing your score. So this is completely an offline based model. So you are interested to learn, leave me a message so that I can be more motivated to bring such type of the artificial intelligence topic and bring you a series of lessons where I will train you on those topic and how to create agentic AI. Do subscribe and do follow me on my Facebook and on my website, and leave me a message in case if you are facing any queries or challenges. I will be more than glad to address you all. Click on the bell icon so that you get all the videos which I post as a notification to you. Thank you all. See you in my next video. So I will post all the Excel series in the evening session. So in the morning, I will be posting some other content which will be related to emails and Office 365 and other topics. Yeah. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.